The HyperX Alloy Origins keyboard offers a perfect blend of durability and performance for gamers who demand the best. Crafted from a full aluminum body, this keyboard stays rock solid during intense sessions, eliminating flex or wobble when every keystroke matters. At its core, the Alloy Origins features custom HyperX mechanical switches. These switches offer the ideal balance of actuation force and travel distance, delivering fast and precise responses that keep you ahead in any game. Plus, the exposed LEDs provide vibrant lighting that enhances your setup without slowing you down. One practical highlight is the detachable USB Type-C cable, making it easy to pack and take your keyboard anywhere. Its sleek, space-saving design frees up your desk, giving you more room for mouse movement and a cleaner gaming station overall. Customization is straightforward with HyperX's NGENUITY software. You can personalize each key's lighting, create dynamic effects, and program macros tailored to your playstyle. The software also includes a game mode toggle to prevent accidental interruptions during critical moments. Users consistently praise the Alloy Origins for its tough build quality. One review even shares how the metal casing protected the keyboard after a full can of liquid was spilled on it. The internals were simple to clean, and the keyboard kept working flawlessly, proving its durability in real-world conditions. Whether you're a competitive gamer or just want a reliable keyboard that lasts, the Alloy Origins delivers both style and substance. Its solid construction and responsive switches make gameplay smoother, while customizable lighting adds a personal touch to your setup. If you're searching for a keyboard that combines durability with customization, the HyperX Alloy Origins is worth a look. It's a dependable choice that won't hold you back, letting you focus on your game instead of your gear. Try the HyperX Alloy Origins when you're ready to upgrade your gaming experience. With its sturdy build, responsive keys, and flexible software, it offers everything you need for performance and style.